Okay, cordial greeting to all. Presentation for part 43 on question 1 of the one. University students should do part-time jobs while they are studying. Um, Answer the one. What are the advantages? The advantages could be the that be part-time and use students on study and additional and encourage this helps uncover university in Spain and the one in the world and the experience. What are the disadvantages? Okay, the disadvantages are many, but the most serious is the so-called increasing the workload on streets vision and will directly and affected an academic performance and the work be left time to study and is less to physical fatigue. For three, what is your one on opinions? And okay, in my opinion, that working study at the same time is very exhausting. Okay, because there are working hours and you have to stay late time to study, and this is very exhausting and for the students the stress and for the academy for Miley is Odyssea in description of this in the parts in the working on the studies is difficult for the students, for example for me. Thank you.